Are you new in Germany or you intend to move to Germany through the vocational training? Do you have these questions? What is vocational training? Why vocational training? Which vocational training is best for me? Do I need a certificate to start a vocational training? What is the duration of the vocational training? When or how do I apply for a vocational training that is Ausbildung in Germany? Welcome to today's video. Today's video is about more career options when it comes to production and manufacturing. So if you have any of these questions, you can check our YouTube playlist. There are different playlists. I have different vocational training options that you can listen to, watch, and know the duration and the requirements that is needed. There are other tips in the video, so I encourage you to watch the video to the end. And also, I'll see you in the next part of the video. So, why choose Germany vocational training? Germany is renowned for its robust vocational training system. It offers a blend of hands-on experience and academic learning. So it's a perfect place for you to develop skills in a practical settings, and this can open doors for a multitude of career opportunities. Vocational training in Germany is another ladder to career success in Germany. So do you want to get your Ausbildung approved and you want to understand the requirements needed to start the vocational training? Then you're at the right place. Apart from your German language, which is very important, you also have to standardize your documents, that is your certificate, to know the equivalence of the certificates that you have in the German educational system. So let's dive into today's video. As the picture beside me is showing, this is a continuation video. It's about Berufe in Musikinstrumentenbau, that is professions in musical instruments making. So if you are a lover of musical instruments, you want to understand how musical instruments are being made, or you are a lover of you have instruments, you are generally a lover of music instruments, then this is a career want to look into. You can find this in my playlist, in one of my playlists, that is production and manufacturing Ausbildung in Germany. That is production and manufacturing vocational training in Germany. If you go through this playlist, you'll be able to find this video if you want to rewatch it again. So as a picture beside showing the first career, that's Handzug Instrumentenmacherin, that is hand operated drawstring instrument maker. And operated drawstring instrument maker. The duration is 3 years. I'm sure a lot of people are like, why 3 years? It's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. So do you need a certificate? If you have any of your certificates, the Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, Realschulabschluss, that's your university entrance qualifications, secondary school, and your high school leaving certificates. All this, you can as well get into this if there are different requirements for each vocational training school. But the most important thing is your German language. Your German language is very important. So what do? You make hand-pulled or blown instruments, and before construction, you create designs or take specification and dimension from technical drawings. So you are not just hand making, you are making technical drawings as well. You make and assemble components for bars and melody strings, as well as cardboard bellows. You use attached knobs, key registers, sound posts. You use a lot of return strings, and you finish the instrument surface. You check the sound, you fine tune it, that it's sounding as it should. You maintain it. If there's a service and repair, you restore or folding or old or broken instrument, you do that as well. And you advise customers which instrument is best and how to maintain their musical instrument as well. So why do you find employment if you want to go into this career option? As the picture beside me showing, you find employment in small and medium-sized musical instruments manufacturing businesses, those that repair or make hand-pulled musical instruments. You find employment there. And you also find employment at music retailers shop. with an attached repair shop as well. That is where you find employment. So if you love of musical instruments and you want to know how to build them, then this is a career option you look into. And let's not forget, music is life. So we've come to the end of the first career. The second career is still in this video, so I encourage you to watch the second part of the video. So I'll see you in the second part. So see you there. So welcome back. This is the second career option, as a picture beside me showing. That's host, blasting, instrumenting, markering. That's woodwind instrument maker. Woodwind instrument maker. The duration is 3 years as well, and it's an Alicante hospital. It is a recognized training. With your German language, like I said, it's very important so that when you are giving instructions, you understand what you are being asked to do. Your German proficiency, your Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, or Realschulabschluss, that's any of the certificates. What do you do if you are a woodwind instrument maker? What do? You create design before constructing a wind instrument, or obtain specifications and dimensions from existing technical drawings. So you don't just make the wood instrument, you get the dimensions. You manufacture the wooden or the metal sound bodies and key mechanisms. You drill, punch, draw, and you beat the tone holes and columns and finish or refine the surfaces. You connect all individual parts and assemble the woodwind instrument. Then you test the sound to get the quality that is properly finished, and you maintain it. You repair instruments and you restore broken or old instruments. So where do you find employment? You find employment in crafts or industrial companies that manufacture woodwind instruments, such as floats or basins. You also find employment in musical halls with an attached repair shop. You find employment there too. So the two careers today I've discussed is all about musical instruments, making of musical instruments. So if you're a music lover, you know someone that is interested in music, then then this is a career option you can suggest to them. So if you have not started your German language, we've come to the end of the two career options. If you have not started your German language, what are you waiting for? If you have, give yourself a big thumbs up, and if you're finished, a big pat at the back. You have done very well. Your German language is very important, because with your German language proficiency, you can have access to a lot of vocational training options in Germany. So don't forget, if you have any questions, write us on our email. Don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop it. And lastly, if this video has helped you, don't forget to share with families and friends and amazing people like you. Together we create a network of informed and inspired individuals. So I see you in my next video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? When I drop more career options, different career options apart from the manufacturing and production, also be done in Germany when it comes to health or computer or IT or natural sciences, name it. If it comes to any other vocational training, you are the first to know. So I encourage you to turn on your notification bell. So I'll see you in my next video. So till then, bye.